Hi, hello. My name is Teacher Julie, and this is my friend Mono the monkey. Hi, Mono.
Mono!
It's so great to see you. Mono, how are you doing? How are you?
I'm good!
Oh, wonderful. Well, I am an author. I have 20 books, 10 in English, 10 in Spanish, and I also have videos with songs and all sorts of things. So I thought I would read one of my books about the weather. You might notice I'm doing some sign language too. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the weather book, and I'm going to share with you my book about the weather. So here we go. It says,
I like the weather.
oh, thanks, Mono. Me too. I wrote this book on a day when it was really, really bad weather. We had a blizzard here in the Midwest. And so this book is all about a day of bad weather, bad weather. These are my mini chatbook, number 7 in English. Is There Rain? It says, by Julie J.D. Pospisil. That's me. Greetings and smiles from author and teacher, Maestra Julia. Thank you also to Sonia Carbonell for her drawings. So we can also sing the song with the book, and we'll do that right after we read. So let's go ahead and get started with the book today. Well, now, what is the weather doing today? What's the weather doing today? Cha-cha-cha. Monkey, Mono, I like how you do that. Cha-cha-cha. Is it good weather? Is it good weather? No, 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 no. Is it bad weather? Yes, 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 yes. Is there sun? Is there sun? Only a little bit. Is there wind? Yes, 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 a lot, a lot. Whoa, Mono the monkey, I think it's a bit windy. Is it hot? No, 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 no. Is it cold? Yes, 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 yes. Is there rain? Is there rain? Oh, wait a minute. We have Mona. Mona is our girl monkey. Hi, Mona.
Hi, I'm Mona.
Well, it's so great to see you. So you have your raincoat on because she's saying, is there rain? Is there rain? And on the day I wrote this book, no, 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 no. There wasn't any rain. Is there snow? Is there snow? Oh, Mona got her nice coat on. It must be kind of cold and snowy. Is there snow? Yes, 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 yes. Definitely snow. Well, what do I do? What do I do? I make snowballs. Be careful of the snowballs. Mona's being careful there. Oh no, oh no. Do you like it, Mona, when there's bad weather?
Yes!
Mona likes the bad weather. Well, I like it when it's good weather. That's the one I like. When it's good weather and there's sun, you can go outside. What is your favorite weather? Maybe good weather, bad weather, just like Mona. Sun, that's the one I like. Or wind. Well, my favorite day is hot weather. I don't really like the cold weather. How about you, Mona? Oh, Mona does like. She says yes, 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 yes. I don't like the rain or the snow. So my favorite day is when there's hot weather. Well, we'll see you later. That's my L for later. See you later. Cha-cha-cha. Goodbye, friends. And here is our weather song. This is the end of the book. It shows how I have 10 books in English and 10 books in Spanish on Amazon. And there I am in the Dominican Republic at the beach when it was nice and sunny. I like the sun. So that is the last page of the book. We are going to see how Mona and Mono are doing. How are you doing?
Good.
Oh, that's wonderful. Well, are you ready to sing a little bit, Mona and Mona? Oh, great. Right, well, I'm going to get the music going here. Oh, great. That is wonderful. So we're going to get the music going, and then we'll go all the way back to the beginning of the book and get ready for our first step of the song. Here we go. I'm so glad you enjoy singing. Wonderful. And song number 6.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather doing today? Cha-cha-cha. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather doing today? Cha-cha-cha. Is it good weather? Is it good weather? No, 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 no. Cha-cha-cha. Is it bad weather? Is it bad weather? Yes, 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 yes. Cha-cha-cha. Is there sun? Is there sun? Only a little bit. Cha-cha-cha. Is there wind? Is there wind? Yes, 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 a lot, a lot. Cha-cha-cha. Is it hot? Is it hot? No, 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 no. Cha-cha-cha. Is it cold? Is it cold? Yes, 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 yes. Cha-cha-cha. Is there rain? Is there rain? No, 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 no. Cha-cha-cha. Is there snow? Is there snow? Yes, 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 yes. Oh no! What do I do? What do I do? I make snowballs. Cha-cha-cha. Be careful, be careful of the snowball. Oh no!
Great. We are now going to sing our goodbye song.
See you later, cha-cha-cha. See you later, cha-cha-cha. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. See you later, cha-cha-cha. See you later, cha-cha-cha. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends.
Wonderful. Well, it's been so fun having you today, sharing this time with my story about the weather mini chat book and with Mona and Mono, the monkeys. It's been wonderful. Very good. I hope it's good weather wherever you are. And we're going to say, see you later to our monkeys. See you later, Mona and Mono. And now it's time for me to say goodbye, friends, from Maestra Julia, or your teacher, Julie. So wonderful to have you here today. All right, see you later. You can find more videos and things on my website, SpanishChatCompany.com. See you later.